Hello guys, welcome back and today I'm going to share with you one of the best Faucet website. You can claim your Dogecoin from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos and watch this video until end. Okay, let's get started. This is the Faucet website. Faucet website is Dogecoin. Pay your 2 Dogecoin maybe if you have a percentage of the person every 5 minutes. Okay, 25 time claim. Okay, just enter your Dogecoin wallet address in here. Go to your Faucet pay, copy your Dogecoin wallet address and come here, paste to here. Okay, just click I'm human, solve a letter capture. This one is a car, tell you, just click the car. Okay, this 5 is car, click next. This is another 3 card, just click check and it's okay. Solve this letter capture is a 5. Which one is a 5? This one is 5. It is a 2. Okay, 2. Okay, sorry about that. Show me some ads and about that this website reload. And now I solve the capture again. This is the capture 0x. Okay, this one was 0 double x, x 0 x and triple x. This one is the triple x. Just wait 5 seconds. After 5 seconds you can click get reward. Okay, go to your user dashboard to show you this website pay me. Okay, this is the payment. This website pay me this much Dogecoin to my Faucet pay account. Okay, you can see this is the payment I received from that website. This website link available in description. Click the link and come here, just claim your free Faucet. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Bye bye.